Vibe Lady welcome to my channel.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another session on Vibe Lady MM. So today I'm just going to take you through how to make our frontal hair look so natural, okay? How we are going to tweeze out our frontal wig to make it natural, to make it less bulky as well, okay? So these are the tools I'm going to use today. I'm going to use uh, a detangling brush, a comb, a tweezer, and a spray bottle filled with water, okay? So these are the things I'm going to use. So I'm just going to comb everything backwards. The wig. So this is how the wig is looking. The front is really bulky. So I'm just going to spray water on it and then comb it backwards with the detangling brush. Okay. I don't want any flyaways to be disturbing my work. So I'm just making sure that everything is combed backwards perfectly before I start tweezing my hair. Okay. So this is how the hair is looking. This is how the front looks like. So after everything, we will compare and see if there's a difference or not. So first of all, I'll just part the part I'm going to part the portion I'm going to tweeze and then tie the rest backwards. So you can see that's what I'm doing right there. And then I'm just going to go ahead straight with my tweezing, okay? So you want to tweeze one step at a time and not too close, not too far away. And I prefer to start from the back. So you can see I comb part forward and I'm holding with my hand and then using the other hand to tweeze out. So I'm tweezing from the back towards the front, okay? So this is how it is looking. Tweezing from the back towards the front, tweezing from the back towards the front. That is what I'm doing right there. And now you just use the comb to comb through to take away the excess. And this is how it is looking. So the what I was holding, I flip it over and then I twist that one as well. So you can see the difference now. It's less bulky. It's not too populated now. It's not densely populated. Let me put it that way. So I'm just going to show you the other side soon for you to compare to see if there's a difference or not. Difference between the twist part and the one that is not twist, okay? So you can see. Let's check the other side, okay? So you can see this is, I've tried to zoom it for you to see how it is looking natural. And this is the other side of the wig. See how bulky it is? It's densely populated. There's a lot of hair over there. So the client doesn't want anything dramatic. They don't want any Lagos hairline or anything. They just want the front to be natural. So that's what we are doing. So I'm just going to part the front part as well. The middle part, let me put it that way. That's the front part as well, not the side. And then I'm just going to repeat the same process I did at the other side of the frontal, okay? So the same process, we part it forward and part it and then hold the front and then start the tweezing from the back towards the front and then you'll be flipping it over bit by bit and then to be tweezing, okay? That's what I'm doing right there. So that is what I'm doing right there. Tweezing one step at a time, not too close, not too far away, one step at a time. You take the piece of hair and then you pluck it out. Piece of hair, you pluck it out. So when I flip it over, this is how it is looking. Yeah, I flipped over what I was holding and then I'm continuing with my tweezing. Okay, flip it out, flip it over and then continue with my tweezing. One step at a time, not too close, not too far away so that it will look more natural. I'm sure there's a difference now, right? Compared with what we saw earlier and there's a difference, right? We're still going to compare with the other side that I've not tweezed out yet to see if there's a difference or not. Then you just try to use a comb to comb through to take away the excess hair, the twist hair out and to make it even and easy for you. If it is getting dry, you spray more water on it, okay? The water will help you to do your work perfectly. So if it's getting dry, you spray more water on it. So this is how it is looking. And then the other part is also tweezed out. So this everything. This is how everything is looking now. I'm sure there's a big difference between what we saw earlier and what we are seeing right now. Yeah, basically that is it. That is it. Okay. So this is how it is looking. No baby hairs, no fly. Everything is being combed backwards, and this is how everything is looking after the tweezer out is done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch, comment, and share my videos. Like and share my videos, okay? See you in my next video. I love you. Ta-ta.